I'm going to run a hypothesis test on the difference between two dependent means. And I'm going to use the example that I used doing it with the TI-84, where I've got a company wishing to study the effectiveness of maybe an extended break on the production of its workers. So we study 6 workers and their productivity, and maybe this is with an extended break. And the second column is without an extended break, and we want to look at the paired differences. So we're testing the claim here that an extended break really does increase the effectiveness. So if that's the case, then the average here in that column should be greater than the average here in this column, so that mu sub d, the mean of the differences, should be positive. Now, our null hypothesis is that there is no difference. So to do this, the first thing I need to do is make sure I have the statistical package that's going to work here. So I'm going to go up to Tools, right up at the top. I'm going to Tools. I'll bring it down to Excel add-ins. And then I get this window. Click on Analysis Tool Pack. So I'll get that one. I'll click OK. And I'll assume that it's loaded. Now I'm going to come over to Data. All right, click on Data. I'm right up here. Click on Data. All right, and then I can bring it over here to Data Analysis. There's my Data Analysis tool pack. I'll click on that. Now, when I do, I get a list of tests. So look at all these tests we can run. Pick the one you want. I'm going to do a 2-sample t-test, assuming that equal variances. Click on OK. Now, variable of range 1. So what you do is I will come over to my first column. I'll click right here, bring it down, unclick, and that will load in that first column. Now, click down here for variable range 2, and let's select, all right, I'll go over to column 2, I'll click, bring it down, and unclick, let go. That gives me my second column. The hypothesis mean difference, I'm going to claim that there's no difference, so I'll type in a 0 here. And then it wants the alpha level. All right, alpha level, how about if we run this at 0.05? All right, that's it. Now I'm going to click on OK. And there it is. That's all I need right here. I'm going to maybe see if I can expand that. Let's see, can we make it any bigger? Well, anyway, here's what I want. Okay, it gives me a lot of information, but what I'm looking for is the p-value. So here's the p-value right here. So what do I get here? I get 0.3422. So my p-value is 0.3422. Now, how does that compare? 0.3422 is greater than my 0.05. So if the p-value is greater than, I'm thinking high prob value. So it's not unlikely that I'm going to see this. So I am not going to reject H0. And I'm going to claim that then there is no difference between these two means.